Hi everyone! Grab your comfy pillows, and let's get started on story time. Today, we are going to read a very fun book. It's actually one of my class's favorites. They like to read this book because it's fun. It's called Peeny Butter Fudge, and it is by Toni Morrison and her kid, Slade Morrison. Toni Morrison and Slade Morrison. Peeny Butter Fudge. This paper says, Mom's instructions. 12 o'clock, lunch. Peas, carrot sticks, fish fingers. 1:15, nap time. 2:25, go to the playground. 4 o'clock, a little bit of television. 5 o'clock, dinner, hot dogs and macaroni and cheese. 6:30, bath time. 7:15, granola bar snack. 7:30, bedtime. I will be back at bedtime. Love, Mommy. So their mom left them a schedule while they stay with their grandma. Snuggle, snuggle, time to rest. Nana joins us in her nest. Nap time is not so long when Nana sings a sleepy song. Looky, look, looky, look. We get a storybook. Fairies, dragons everywhere. Creepy things under the stairs. Pots of gold, a laughing mouse, a peppermint chimney on a house. Hurry, hurry, hop in the car. Let's go fast, let's go far. All around, up and down, Nana takes us through the town. Yummy, lummy, yummy, lummy. So much happy in the tummy. Look at what our Nana made us. Biscuits, ham, and lemonade us. Yum. Oh my goodness, Nana's sick. Help, find the doctor, Kit. She's got a fever. Her face is hot. Get some water, pour a lot. Band-aid for her toes, Band-aid for her nose. Doctor says you need rest. Quiet while we check your chest. Be a good Nana, take a vitamin pill. We'll make you well, you bet we will. They're pretending to play doctor with their Nana. That's a fun game. Hold my hand and swing around. Feel the rhythm in the ground. Lift your left foot, now you're right. Shake your shoulders with all your might. Let's make the kitty cat. I got one paw, I've got two. Here's his tail and whiskers too. Here's his play toy, but it doesn't belong. The shape is right, but the color is all wrong. Patience, patience, no need to haste. Every piece has a place. What are they doing? They're making a puzzle, yeah. Peeny butter fudge, peeny butter fudge. Mommy's coming any minute. Quick, quick, let's begin. Shh, don't tell. But I can't help it. This recipe's a family secret. Mix it, cook it, cool it, eat it. My mother taught me, and I taught yours. Don't ever forget how it's done, for you will have to pass it on. Ticky-tock, can we beat the big old clock? Peeny butter, Nana is the best grandmother. Uh-oh, look who came home. It looks a little bit messy. But look, I think they made it in time. Their mama smells the peanut butter fudge and remembers when she made it with their Nana, with her mom. She has a happy memory. Give me a kiss, give me a hug, peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter fudge. And then, here's the recipe. Yummy! If you want, I have the link below for where to find this amazing story and Toni Morrison's grandma's peanut butter fudge recipe. Do you have a special recipe that your family makes at home? You do? I would love to hear all about it, just like they do in peanut butter fudge. Send me a picture or an email of what you make at home with your family. Bye, everyone.